Wonder if this is the goal. I think it's the place to be during the rain. I want to eat here. Burgers, Cillian. I want to try that. Ikebukero. Oh, won't pay attention now. Let's pick. This is the Haya Shida Ramen Haya Shida here at Ikebukero. Gonna get me some lunch. I think it's the place to be during the rain. So first you have to sign up. You have to get a ticket from the vending machine, and then after you get a vending machine ticket, you line up out here. So very typical process in Japan because the shop is very, very small. So you get in, you get your ticket, and you wait in line. Most Americans will wait in line and try to get a ticket, when in reality you'd be waiting in line for nothing, and then they'll tell you to come back. Or if the shop staff is nice enough, they're gonna come around and be like, yo, you gotta get a ticket. Then you lose your place in line. Sucks either way. This restaurant here is actually not that bad. Very soft, faint ramen. They had this large pieces of boiled garlic on the inside, like on the edges. I had a shoyu ramen, that's the soy sauce on the dark side. And then it doesn't seem like there's a lot because it's like a small bowl, but I think it's an illusion. The bowl gives you a nice healthy portion, al dente noodles, great finish, not too oily, not too greasy at all. One of the first ramens I had that's very light to the touch. Here, Ikebukero, check them out. This is the famed BIC Camera here in Ikebukero. Ikebukero one, yeah? It's getting kind of dry since I'm turning on the lovely heater, so I gotta get myself a humidifier. I don't want my skin to break out, you know, in cracks, especially if I've been running around. You exercise and you gotta lotion up, which is good. But when you sleep, you have like dry coughs and like itchiness and scratchiness. You gotta keep the humidity in the room, and I'm too broke to like get the better AC, so I gotta get a humidifier. I don't see. Ooh, watch bands. What do I got here? Nothing? Nothing for me. Fourth floor. Air conditioner right there. Where the heck are these air conditioners? That's a little weird. There's some humidifiers here. I wonder if this is the goal. So many choices, you know what I mean? You got so many brands. We go to many stores that do this, and not just in Japan, but in the States too. Not all of these built already, but you know, I do trust Japanese engineering. This one looks like a microwave. Oh, it has extra luggage. Look at these. They have these portable humidifiers that are shaped like a cup. So you could just plug them into your car or have them at your desk so it's inconspicuous. It's kind of silly. Look at this. They wrap it in plastic because of the rain, on top of them putting a handle because they know you're going to carry it on the train. What a cool country.